Hello, my name is Jose Cabrita and welcome to this session Mastering Fit to Standard workshop with SAP Cloud ALM. And you maybe are asking, what is SAP Cloud ALM? It is a cloud platform designed for delivering projects as well as managing and monitoring SAP solutions. And for those of you who has been in an SAP project implementation before, you might have heard about SAP Solution Manager. And what I can say is that SAP Cloud ALM is the logical successor because of the cloud native design that is focused on helping organizations migrating to the cloud. This design is also changing the way how Fit to Standard workshops are being conducted, and that's going to be the main focus today. As part of the Activate methodology, the Fit to Standard workshop is focused on the explore phase. Here we're gonna review the best practice business processes. This could be done in SAP Signavio, but I'm gonna leave that topic to my colleague Gary Steele, who is gonna take you through the whole process in detail. For today, we're gonna focus about how you can just conduct this session in SAP Cloud ALM and how requirements are gonna be captured here. As part of the demo, we're going to show you a best practice business process. We're going to capture requirements, assign team and responsible person. We're going to prove the requirements by the stakeholders, and then we're going to show you the traceability tool in SAP Cloud ALM. Now, the whole process starts with a project manager or anyone who has access to SAP Cloud ALM. And as soon as you have a particular project, a template that has been selected for these activities, you're going to have access to a dashboard. The dashboard is going to show you in real time all the progress that is going to be made during the whole implementation. And on top of that, you're going to have additional project tasks that are going to help project managers to understand what needs to be done. In this case, we have a conduct fit to standard workshop. And what it is a collaborative session where you engage SAP solution architects and the stakeholders from the business just to engage and try to understand how they can add value to the business. And in this case, they're going to be using a specific business process. Because this is coming from a template, you're going to have the details about the description, the key process flow. In this case, we're talking about accounting and financial close J58. And by the time that you go into the process in detail, you're going to have the information about the best practice steps. And I don't know you, but I'm the kind of person who thinks that a picture talks more than 1,000 words. And this is exactly what you want to see from the stakeholders, because you can have a better engagement by the time that they can explain how the business can add the value here. We don't want you as a business just to adapt to the best practice. We want you just to basically tell us what is relevant for you as a business, and we can just add those changes during the whole implementation. And as you can see here, all these requirements can be directly captured by the time that these sessions are being conducted in SAP Cloud ALM. You don't need to have a particular spreadsheet. You don't have to go and go to a SharePoint area just to capture all this information. All this can be captured in a single tool that's going to help the whole process to be more efficient. And by the time that you have all these particular requirements captured, it's the case that the solution architect is going to be just adding additional information, making sure that the team responsible for these activities is going to be assigned. The person who is going to be responsible for the activity itself, it can be also included. You can change the priority. And then when that information is done, you can just go back to the stakeholders just to get the final approval, the validation, before actually start making changes in the whole project. And when that's done, the stakeholders are going to validate all this information and they can approve it. When you have the approval, you will have a specific backlog of activities that are now officially ready to be implemented across the whole project. And that's it in terms of the whole session, what needs to be done. Now, when it comes to the traceability, what I can say is that SAP Cloud ALM, it can be the single source of truth for this particular project implementation because it's going to show you in real time all the elements that are going to be relevant for the whole project. In this case, we have the requirements that they're going to be assigned to a particular business process and the particular or the additional transactions like features for development activities, the test preparation and the execution for all the test phases that you're going to go through. And everything is going to be captured in a single screen. So you can see how simple it is just to just get that information. The key takeaways for this process or this session: SAP Cloud ALM provides best practices that can be customized to align with industry standards. Solution architects can validate the requirements with the stakeholders. The stakeholders can have insight into SAP capabilities that can help just to make faster decisions. And the whole process integrates with an agile methodology, which is good to see. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed.